Bye, be safe, have a nice day.
Thanks.
Thank you for choosing PJ Fitzpatrick for your home improvement project. We are committed to keeping you and your family, as well as our employees and their families, safe. We would like to share with you some modifications to our installation process across all product lines, following all state and CDC guidelines. Your installers will arrive at your home on your scheduled day of installation between 8 and 9 a.m. He will come to your door to let you know he has arrived, but will remain at least 6 feet away, practicing proper social distancing for everyone's safety.
Good morning.
Hello.
After assessment of the project, your installer will gather and disinfect any tools that will be entering your home. He will also lay down drop cloths to protect your floors during installation. Because every installation is unique, safety protocols will be adjusted accordingly. Throughout your installation, all of our crew members will be using personal protective equipment while remaining at a safe distance from you and your family. Because all of our employees and their families are dear to us, we ask that you also agree to follow the same social distancing guidelines during your installation. Thank you for allowing us to serve you for over 40 years. Smart, safe, and sound installations.